Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a favorite cleaning products video for you guys. There's a couple things around my house that I just love having, can't stop using, and cannot keep my house clean without. So I'm going to be sharing those products with you guys today, so stay tuned. The first favorite cleaning product that I love and I use every single day in my house is my vinegar and water spray solution. I don't have it up here with me. It's kind of boring, nothing to look at. It just looks like a spray bottle full of water. But other than my vinegar and water solution that I use to clean glass sometimes, and I use it to clean shower walls sometimes, I use it to clean my kitchen counters every day, it's just plain old vinegar and water. It's cheap, it's non-toxic, it's safe, and I don't have to worry about spending a lot of money on that type of cleaning product because I've already got it with vinegar and water. So that's the first thing. Other than that, I have a few other favorites that I really, really love. And the first one, and you guys have seen me talk about these before, are these multi-surface wipes from the Dollar Tree. I love these things, and they actually have furniture wipes, they have glass wipes, but I like these because they're multi-surface wipes. So they're good for granite, tile, wood, stainless steel, and glass. I keep a bag of these in my nightstand over there. I keep one in my kitchen that I use to dust my furniture in the living room sometimes. I keep them all scattered around the house because they are good on so many surfaces. I love those, and I always look for these that say like extra, like there's normally supposed to be 25, but this pack actually had 30, so I can't say enough of good things about these, especially considering how much like a Pledge wipe or a Windex wipe costs. Way more than $1, and I don't really think they're any better. And so for $1 you can clean glass and tile and granite and everything else. These are awesome. Another favorite cleaning item actually also comes from the Dollar Tree, and these are the Clorox Handy Wipes. They actually have several versions of these different brands. The Clorox Handy Wipes are the best ones. These are basically reusable paper towels essentially. Now they say rinse and reuse 20 times. I actually wash these in my washing machine, and I've used them way more than 20 times. And it saves me so much money on having to buy paper towels because I'm using these instead of paper towels. I'm going to open them and show you. But basically they look like this. They're just a big sheet, and I use them instead of paper towels to wipe up my counters, to wipe spills off of my stove, and pretty much anything you'd use a paper towel for, you can use these for, and they do wash up really well in the washer. Now they get kind of balled up sometimes, but all you have to do is just kind of flatten them back out. And I swear I've had the same ones for like, I don't know, probably my original bag I've probably had for about a year now, and they just wash up in the washer and I reuse them. So it saves me a ton of money on paper towels. Another cleaning favorite are Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. You can't really have a favorite cleaning products video without talking about Mr. Clean erasers. Now the Dollar Tree does have their own version. I do buy them sometimes, but I do feel like that the Mr. Clean brand actually lasts a little bit longer than the Dollar Tree version. So if you're in a pinch and if you're at the Dollar Tree and you need magic erasers, then definitely pick up the ones from the Dollar Tree. But if you're at Kroger or Walmart or Target, they're usually not a whole lot more money to get the Mr. Clean brand, and I do think they are a better product than the ones at Dollar Tree, but they both do work. I really love them for cleaning the bottom of my shower because we have a textured tub, and so that really tends to grab dirt and things like that. I mean, there's so many uses for these things. I clean our shower walls with these, get crayons and pencil marks off of paint on the walls. Like, there's tons of reasons and tons of uses for these, and there's something that I think every single house should have at all times. Another cleaning favorite that I use every single week that I can't live without, and I don't have it here to show you, but it's latex gloves. I use latex gloves anytime I'm going to be doing something gross when it comes to cleaning. So that's cleaning toilets, and it's also cleaning up animal messes. So if Loki throws up somewhere or there's some other kind of gross mess that I don't want to touch, I use latex gloves. So I keep latex gloves in all the bathrooms. It just keeps me from having to touch things. It keeps me from getting bacteria and who knows what under my fingernails. So I love latex gloves. You can get them at the Dollar Tree, you can get them at Costco, you can get them at Amazon, so pretty much anywhere you can get them, and I think they are definitely worth paying for to keep your hands clean and sanitary. Another favorite is the Clorox Toilet Wand Cleaning System. I recently switched all of my toilet cleaning products to the Clorox Wand system because I really like not having to have the liquid, whatever type of liquid it may be, and I really feel like the scrubbing pad on the Clorox wand is really good at getting under the lip of the toilet, getting stains off of the bottom of the toilet, like anywhere. It just really works at getting at all of the surfaces of the toilet. If you're using a conventional toilet brush, those bristles are really hard to be very thorough with because they tend to just like skip spots, and they tend to get hard. They tend to skip spots, and they tend to not get everything clean under the rim of the toilet. So I really feel like the Clorox wand system is the best and does the best job at cleaning the entire toilet. Plus, again, with kind of latex gloves, I like being able to throw the dirty things away and get them out of the house versus like a toilet brush system where you're going to have a dirty toilet brush kind of in a thing and in your house, and it's just gross. And it's something that you have to just like disinfect every now and again. So I really feel like this is a cleaner way to keep your toilets clean and then keep your house clean by not having that nasty toilet brush in your house. And my last favorite cleaning product is the Zion Lab Garbage Disposal and Drain Cleaner. Whether we like to admit it or not, our garbage disposals and sometimes even our drains, especially in the bathroom, can tend to get an odor. And it's really gross, and it's really embarrassing when people come over and they can smell that coming from your drains or your shower or wherever. And you can find tons of other garbage disposal deodorizers, but really, unless you're cleaning the problem, it's really not gonna help long term to just kind of mask that odor. So that's why I really like the garbage disposal cleaner from Zion Lab, because it actually cleans whatever is causing the odor. Zion Lab Garbage Disposal and Drain Cleaner has a special enzymatic technology to naturally clean and deodorize your drains. The neat part about the Zion Lab Garbage Disposal Cleaner is that with regular use, it actually creates a biofilm that creates a barrier to protect your plumbing from buildup, clogs, and smells in the future. It doesn't have harsh chemicals, chlorine, phosphates, or other dangerous chemicals, and it's safe for those of you with septic systems. Like I say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, so it's better to just clean it and get rid of it than have to just keep masking the odor of it. And that's exactly what the Zion Lab Garbage Disposal and Drain Cleaner will do for you. And like I said, in the bathroom too, especially the sink, I notice sometimes there's an odor from like people spitting in there, and then it gets like all that buildup inside. So this is really going to help with that too. So I will have it linked for you guys in the description box. I think it's a great cleaning product to have on hand to really help to make sure that you're getting your drains clean safely and you're keeping them odor-free long term. So I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about my favorite cleaning products. I really had a good time sitting around and thinking like, what products do I use and reach for the most often? And it was all these things. And I love how a couple of these things are from Dollar Tree, so that really makes it a low budget option. You know, you don't have to go out and buy all of the expensive stuff. And same thing with the vinegar and water. You don't have to go out and buy fancy expensive countertop cleaners. You can use vinegar and water to clean so many surfaces in your home for dirt cheap. I mean, a huge thing of vinegar is usually like $2 or $3. It's definitely a budget conscious and natural solution to maybe other cleaning products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell next to it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.